So here's part 2 of the video. Large window with that gorgeous view. Comfy shades. Pressing down 1. And here we go, blocking out the light, blocking out the heat, while maintaining the view. And as you can tell, this shade over here already has the fascia to hide all the hardware and the tubing. We're about to put it on this one. And here we go. I'm going to raise this one. And we're going to go ahead and raise this one also to expose that view once again. So you can tell the shades are pretty quiet. They roll evenly. And here's that gorgeous view again.